moment, but the supplies are no longer at this Red Cross station. Now they're actually going door to door to hand them out to your home. If you need those cleaning supplies, you've got to call the mayor's office at 313-791-3490 in order to get those delivered right to your door. In the meantime, we're talking about a deadline which is set for 10 o'clock today to turn in some information to the city, whether it be Dearborn Heights, Inkster, Ecorse, Allen Park, all the places that have been affected by this. Take a look at the video. This cleanup process has been going on for days now for those of you affected by this flooding. And now we are told that because of the state of emergency put out by Wayne County, and then the governor put hers out, there is a possibility, again, just a possibility, that federal dollars, FEMA money, could be coming from the federal government. Again, it's a possibility they will be applying for it, but we don't know for sure. In the meantime, though, they are saying that you have to have documentation put together. Pictures have to be taken. You've got to write everything down as to the things that you might want to be reimbursed for. If you don't do that, there is no way you can get any money again if that money comes in.
To anybody listening to this, residents who've had damage, we urge you to make sure you are reporting that to your city by 10 o'clock tomorrow morning, because we are going to try to apply for FEMA, for federal aid. But in order to get federal aid, we have to have all of the damage reported.
Now, just to clarify, the Congresswoman said that yesterday. So when she said tomorrow, she does mean today. So today at 10 o'clock is that deadline. So what should you document? Again, 10 a.m. today. Document every single item you might want reimbursement for. Take photos, even videos if you can. And also, if you have the receipts, provide those as well, just in case, because the feds might want that. So again, Evrod and Rhonda, this is not a done deal. We are not saying this FEMA money is coming. We are saying this is a step in the process to potentially get that FEMA money. We're live here in Dearborn Heights. Nick Monticelli, Local 4 News today.
A step in the right direction, getting help for, hopefully getting help for all those people that were affected. Nick, thank you.